Almost forgot about the sound. I hope now everything is okay. So great, let's start. Today we evidenced the very unique kind of news from the Binance. There was, I think, the very first time from the moment of Binance Foundation that the spot trading was suspended for about 12 hours, I think, and that was a really interesting thing that we don't know for sure what the problems were, but anyway, 10 minutes ago, the spot trading was relaunched. I really hope that everything will be okay. Markets and the BTC didn't fall drastically, but anyway, I really evidenced the intense work of different market makers to hold the prices of the core instruments, of the crypto instruments, and they really managed. I think the problem is solved. That was quite interesting thing. We will see what will be the outcome. Hello, Renzo. Okay, let's start from the economic news for today. There are very few news about with two stars, and the most crucial will be about speculative net position and Nasdaq 100 speculative net positions as well. However, I really have some doubt that something can disturb and make some turbulence for the markets more than today's news about the suspending of spot trading, but now everything is okay. So let's watch the BTC as well. It is trading around the local maximums, and I really believe that now we are coming to the strong zone, and if we manage to overcome this zone, we will be much more closer. We will be much more close to the reversal pattern that will indicate the beginning of the uptrend movement, the beginning of the bullish market. So let's wait. I really hope that despite all the news, all the economic quite dramatic news about the bank sphere, the inflow and the rush of participants into the blockchain industry really increases, and this is the sign that the blockchain really wins the race, blockchain vs fiat system and the banking system. Now we have quite uptrend picture. Let's see, the Ethereum is a high volatility, but yesterday there was the maximum for the last several months. That's a well good sign. XRP, I'm waiting for the breakout of this slope, because here we evidenced small liquidity grab. It's quite important thing, because if there is a huge breakout, I think it will be continued drastically, but now we just have the liquidity grab. We really lack here the pool of liquidity just to continue this breakout, and we perceive this liquidity grab in order to load position towards the breakout of this slope, and I really hope we will manage to catch good movement. But please watch only those solid arguments when we have really high activity on the border of the slope before the breakout. Do not load in advance. MATIC, another one situation, but here we have some short picture, and as well, I recommend open trade position only if there is high volume, high activity right on the border, right on the level, on this support level. OMG, another one, clear picture, what I really like. I like the character of movement. If you look here, you will see that here we have very, very small pin bars, we have very small diapason of movement here. It is the sign of the robot, it's the sign of algorithms, and first of all, this is the sign of loading of a huge player who put this price into a short diapason without letting it go up or down. So we really have to watch and wait for the further outcome. I think that there is a small consolidation of 5 minutes as well that will be broken soon. Because all the crypto, when it's pumped, it really likes moving like this. We have a small consolidation, the breakout, small consolidation, the breakout, like this. Consolidation, breakout, consolidation, and breakout. And usually we have at least three, such a cycle from three elements. I mean that the next breakout is coming. I'm almost sure. So that's why we should wait for the high activity on within the upper side of this rectangle and be very attentive, be ready. GMT quite a strong zone of buyer, that's a smart zone. It should be checked with the cluster analysis, but anyway, unfortunately we failed to reach this zone only 0.25%. But anyway, I think the movement will be repeated. Anyway, we will have the opportunity to long from this zone. I think there will be the strongest part. Sorry, some connections problem. The loading zone is less than 1%, and this is amazing. Usually we have much broader zone that finally result in quite admirable loss in case we have a stop loss hit. But in this case, the risk is quite small. So be aware, please. Please place the alarm bells on this price 0.3890 and 0.3866. Between these two levels, we should load the position gradually with the stop loss behind this zone. Here I'm waiting for the breakout of the slope as well, especially in case the BTC now is trading inside small consolidation. With the further breakout of this consolidation towards assaulting the new high, 30K, I'm expecting the breakout of this slope, because even more, here we see small liquidity grab, and I really almost sure on the background of long movement, we will break this structure. And I really like breaking the slope even more than horizontal levels, because slope has usually has much more potential of movement. And finally, TRB, another one situation. I was expected to break this level. However, the outcome of this situation depends on the BTC behavior. If it's gonna be pumped, I'm almost sure the TRB will break this structure, will break this horizontal level. If it's dumped, logically we will short right on this level. Don't forget to adhere to your risk management, and please stay in profit. Thank you for your attention. That's all for today. Please place all these instruments on your working space, and I usually strongly advise just to not to watch, not to sit in front of the monitor throughout the day, because it's quite exhausting. Instead just place the alarm levels on each instrument and just wait. That's all. See you soon.